Hey everyone, Elisa with Jots Designs. In this video, I'm working on an accent table that I got from TJ Maxx, and I'm using some ClearCast 7050 resin. I've also got Folk Art Ultra Dyes Blue Bayou, and Resin Sapphire Blue, Sassy Red, and also Angel White pastes. And then I grabbed the Magic Blue from Just Resin, and that's also a paste. And I wanted to use some oil paints, so I've got Master's Touch Ultramarine Blue and Crimson oil paints. And then I grabbed some powder from Stardust Micas, and it's the brown sugar. When I did this pour, I was live for Artapalooza on the Artist Haven channel. And for more information on that and to watch it, there's links below down in the description. And ClearCast 7050 is a 2-to-1 ratio resin, and I'm going to get that and all the colors mixed up here. And then basically what I'm going to do is just a simple puddle pour right in the center with each color. And then I'm going to take the hairdryer and blow from the center out, and then also with the airbrush. And once that's cured, I will get a clear coat of resin on there, and I've also got some close-up pictures for you at the end. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and of course I've always got links to the products I use, discounts, and also links to my shops in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the video, and I will see you next time.